Alright, the second part to the other video is the pad. We had just cleaned it with that pad starting off, and then we also did this pad. And as you see, it's quite dark, picking up a lot. The other side's white. That side was on that part. And it picked up a lot, but again, we did not pre-vacuum this spot. Nor did we vacuum this half either. We only used the Stay Clean solvent, and that was heavily soiled over there, and that's the Stay Clean solvent and the citrus. So, again, if we had vacuumed this prior, it would have come up a lot better.
Yeah.
So, and it's not so much wet either. It's very, very, very little moist.
Oh yeah.
As you see, let me give you another demonstration. See, very, very little moist. It's almost dry.
We're gonna try one.
We're gonna try a different pad here. I think this one's a little more aggressive than the red one. Let's see how this more aggressive pad works. Make a few passes. The longer you sit at one particular spot, well, there you have it. It lightened up quite a bit considering how it started off. We're gonna put this cloth pad on there,
Clean side.
on the clean side. Now that side was previously flipped over. Oh, a little uneven. See how it scrubs up. It's perfect. again, this is a work in progress. Alright. Take a look how dirty this pad is. Oh wow, it's pretty dirty. Pretty dirty. Alright. And there you have it. A little bit more work on it and it'll come back up. How dry is that?
Not even a morning moon. Not even a morning dew.
Well, there you have it. Well, thank you so much for watching. Tune in again.